Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce your crab growth time in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to reduce the crab growth time, we need to have the growth booster item. You can buy the item from the blank store. You can use this growth booster or this one, quality growth booster. For the quality growth booster, you can reduce crop growth time by 1 hour immediately, and it can be applied multiple times to the same crop. Okay, and then for this growth booster, it can reduce crop growth time by 15 minutes immediately. And for this quality growth booster, you can unlock this item after you unlock level 5 in the gardening hobby. Meanwhile, for this growth booster, if I'm not mistaken, you can unlock it after you reach level 3. And then I'm going to apply this growth booster, guys, the quality growth booster. We can equip the booster. We can hold it, and then you can choose a crop that you want to apply this growth booster to. And I'm going to apply to this plot. Okay, and I'm going to apply it one more time. Okay, finally now my carrot is ready to harvest, and the growth time has been reduced, so now I can harvest it. Okay guys, and that's how we can reduce the crop growth time in Heartopia game using the growth booster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!